Today I'm working as a pet sitter. Hi! Okay, that was my first client. Gotta go! Almost forgot. This is the place.
Oh, cool.
Here. First time, about the alligator. Okay. It's time to trim his nails.
Oh, fantastic!
All done. Bye, crocodile.
Bye-bye! I'm hungry!
What should I do? Okay. Snowy?
So yummy!
Oh, you're so cute. It's time to brush your teeth. Bye-bye, Snowy. Let's go to our next time.
Let's go.
What about these guys?
No, not in our list.
Sorry, guys. Next time. Go, go. Happy Dad. Who else wants some? Baby goat. Come on, hurry, hurry. Hi, cutie. Rock-a-bye, baby. I don't know the words. La 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 la.
No.
Oh, you sleepyhead.
Oh no, not today. It's not for me. No.
Okay. Dad. Calm. Don't spoil Dad. He's so cute.
We clear here.
Hi.
Hi.
Tell us the turn. Okay. Next pet.
Ow.
Hello? 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 If you want our service, you can make an appointment. Yes?
Oh, no, not in our list. No.
Let's go to the next client. Next video. Today I'm in the truck with my friends. Let's go. Guys, let's go.
Nope.
Let's go. Okay, you won't see the interesting things in the lake. I'm going to Starbucks. I love Starbucks. Hi.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You like it too?
You watch me live?
Yeah.
Don't be shy. Come here. There are fans.
Oh, we got super fans.
Hello. They kept touching my hair. More fans.
You're so cute. All your videos are so nice. Can I click a picture?
Yeah, sure. Now I can have peace and quiet and go to Starbucks. I'm gonna get this. This is my favorite drink. This is an acai refresher box free scoops of strawberry, and I don't understand. Why is this my dad's name? Yuri. It has to be my name. Unfair. I want this bunny shirt. This is for ladies, but I'll try it on. Now wait. Are you ready, guys? 1, 2, 3. This looks amazing. I love oversizes. On Wednesdays, we wear pink. I think I'm gonna buy these shoes. I don't know. And I bought them. Why are you playing with a doll?
Why am I playing with the doll? Because bachelor party, so I will marry soon. That's the reason. Do you want to give her a little kiss?
No.
No? Okay.
Ew, this is so cringe.
6 adults are playing with dolls. I don't even play with dolls. Ooh. Oh my god, that scared me. You may die here. No, I'm going the opposite way. I'm not going there. No, I'm not going. I'm not going. No.
12 seconds later.
Oh my god. Oh, it's not that scary. Do you work here? Yes. Do people scare you there?
Yes.
Okay, can you go to your colleague, please? Say that I'm brave. Yeah, I'm going there. I'm not scared of anything, I think. Flashback to the other part.
That's a bit too young. We only let people 15 and above.
No! If I don't scream, can I go?
No, I'm so sorry.
I'm so pissed off. Like, I'm not scared of anything. Oh. I was learning about them at school. They're so cute. I believe in dragons. Do you? And here, you have to pay for a brick to color on. If you pay, they will donate money to the kids they need help. And I'm gonna draw. Oh, there's so many chocolates. But first, I'm going to the chocolate museum. And then here, this is so cool, guys. Wow. Are you real?
Nope.
No. It's so cool here, right? And the beautiful view. Are you gonna answer?
Nope.
Oh, hi, I'm Nastya. What's your name? Why is everybody not talking to me? Oh, hi, what you drinking? I want to buy napkins, please. Why does everybody not talk to me? Oh, this is so yummy. It's healthy and not healthy. What? It's chocolate, yeah, it's not healthy. It's not good for you. You can't eat too much. And berries, I love it. This is how they make these type of candies. It's like playing with hard slime. And soon it's gonna be my favorite part. I think it's gonna be a lollipop Ordy. He has 2 googly eyes. Let's see it closer. Yeah, this is my favorite part, guys. That's right. Thank you. It's still warm. There's a smiley face. Yeah. Fresh caramel. Oh, Madame Tussauds, let's go there. Dad, come. I'm the queen. Hi, girls. You look so beautiful today. So stylish. Dad here. Like always, Dad. Look, guys. You see? Nobody's touching it. And then you touch it and it goes on your hand. You have to pass the end. And so this doesn't touch it. Okay. Shoot! Wow! Oh! Eat this, my dear! No! Yeah, you got a yummy, 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 yummy. Lady Gaga. 3, 2, 1, action. Today, guys, I'm gonna perform singing. Cry for you. I don't think survive the things you do. Are you okay? Yeah. Oh, what's up? What's up? The day has came to the end. Bye-bye, guys. Next video. Cold tea. Hot tea. Too hot. Too cold. Cold is better. No, hot is better. Cold, hot, cold, hot, cold. cold drink? You want a cold drink? Mm-hmm. Yep. Wait a minute. Yay! I'm gonna make a snow cone. Oopsies. Here you go. Thank you. Give me money back. Hot drink, come here. Hot drinks. You want a hot drink? Yay! I'm gonna make some hot coffee. Here you go. Thank you.
Ew!
What's that? It's coffee, yummy, right? Give me money back. Thanks. Good. One last chance. Hi. Here. Come on. Hot better. Cold is better. Oh, so hot. It's getting hot. Do you want a cold drink? Mm-hmm. Thank you. Choose your cool drink. Good choice. 1 minute. Some oranges. Lemon. And ice. 2, 3. No, more ice. Here's your cool drink. Thank you. It's too cold. Oh no! You need a nice hot drink. Come here. 1 minute. Look, I have a lot of options. I'm gonna choose the spicy. Here you go. Too hot. You need ice. Ice. Yes. Thank you. Yay! One for you. Thank you. One for you. Thank you. Hooray! Cold, yummy. Hot. I love it. Maybe a challenge? Yes. Hot food. Come here, hot food, come here. Can I have ice cream, please? $1, please. Thank you. Pizza, please. Ice cream cold. First tomatoes. Now a bunch of veggies. And obviously some hot sauce. A lot of it. Here you go. Thank you. Here you go. Thank you. So hot. We need to think of something. I know, healthy food. Great idea. Healthy food! Healthy food! Next video. Oh, it's a gift day.
I have a gift for you.
I love gifts. Yay! Wow!
easy.
I want to try. Oh, I have a gift for you too.
Wow.
Ooh. Ah.
Wow-wee! Oh yeah! Ooh, ooh, oh yeah!
Yabba dabba doo.
This is so cool! Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! I won! That feels so good!
This is so cool. La 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 la.
Hey, what's up, Doc?
Hi. Hi. Oh, thank you. Woo. Oh, thank you.
Bye!
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Oh, Daddy! Daddy! We're at home. Oh.
Whoa.
Wow. Ferrari World?
Wow. Wow. Hi.
It was a great day in Dubai. Next video. Hi. The teacher said that today is going to be some sort of spirit day. Yeah, what will we do? I don't know. Teacher, what happened? Teacher, he's closed.
Yeah.
He's locked.
You have to find all the keys.
Okay.
Guys, look! Look there!
I think the key is inside. Yeah, let's pop them. No key in here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. No key here. 3, 2, 1. Look! 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Look, the third key. We found 2 more keys. Don't worry, teacher. We'll find the others.
Ooh.
I think it's in here. I think we have to go in. It's not easy. Can't find it anywhere. It's a big slime bath. I found the key. One more left. We will find it. Don't worry.
Hey guys, are you looking for this?
Uh-huh.
You have to get me.
It's gonna be a slime battle.
Yeah.
Yay! You're free! But wait, what is on your nose? Yeah. Slime like we have? Teacher, it was you!
Yeah, it's me.
What was this all for? Yeah.
It was challenge day at school for team building. And you guys are the best team.